Yeah, it's school holidays, and while we can't go too far, caravanning is the perfect way to get the family out and about.
But you'll need to get organised before you hit the road. So who do we call? Anita Birges. She's going to show us how it's done.
Honey, are you sure you know how...
Trust me, okay?
Oh.
Thanks.
Anita, there are a lot of experienced caravanners, but for those of us doing it for the very first time, it's a little daunting. So how much preparation is needed beforehand?
Okay, so an organised holiday is a relaxed holiday. I have some great tips, tricks and guidelines that will set you up for success right from the beginning. So let's hop on and let's get started.
Let's do it. If we're putting a whole family in here, how do we organise their clothes and all the little bits and pieces?
What you need to do is really evaluate your space, and you need to contain everything so things aren't moving around, like your clothes. Let's start with them. As you can see in here, the shelves are not adjustable. So to really utilise all that space, I've used the Smart Store stackable baskets from Howard Storage World. They also come with a place to put a label, and they're aerated.
And there's some hidden storage under the bed. Should we open that up?
I've used it for things like the towels and linen. I've got the outdoor activities for the kids stored under here, my caravan starter kit, and an air dryer for my laundry.
So once we set up at the caravan park, we need to keep ourselves entertained. So
Yes.
what do you recommend?
Okay, look, I love using this overhead storage for things like the iPads, iPhones, maps, if you're going to go out and take a hike, for the books, card games, contain it, label it, and you can't go wrong with this sort of system in place.
And I like that you've added an extra little rack here as well.
So I've used the wall space here, and how I've done it is by using the white magic eye hooks, and they don't actually screw into any surface. You'll see that I've used them throughout the whole caravan for a towel rail, a toilet paper holder, for Glad wrap, for your keys, your sunnies, and even your jackets.
Oh my God, that looks better than my own pantry at home.
The key is to have airtight, clear containers, and making a meal will be a breeze.
And what's in these cupboards up here?
Oh, take a look, Brit. So I've used the Mari baskets with a handle because it's a bit high. I have kids meds, adult meds, and the sunscreen and insect repellent. And I finished off here because it's closest to the door. We've got torches, I've got the batteries, easy to reach, and the chargers. I've also installed these great Amina containers from Howard Storage World because not only are they stackable, but they're also airtight and food safe.
What is this cute little device?
Okay, this is a pop-up kettle from BCF, and collapsible is key. I've also got a collapsible dish rack here. It is a complete lifesaver because when you're not using it, it collapses. It can be stored underneath the sink. Caravans don't come with cutlery organisers, so it's really a great idea to invest in a couple.
Of course, we have to have a sanitising station.
It is a top priority for everyone nowadays. They have a place to sanitise their hands. We have some disposable gloves and some antibacterial wipes right at the front door. No campsite is complete without some good folding picnic tables, some comfortable camping chairs, and a hot cup of tea.
I am one happy camper. Cheers.
See, for more organising tips, head to miseonplay.com.au, which is French for camper than a row of tents.
We love a good camp. Still to come.
I am camp.
Yeah.